Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your balance with Discover step by step clearly. To transfer your balance with Discover, begin by visiting the Discover website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the register link to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the balance transfer option from the main menu. Read the details regarding balance transfers, including any associated fees and eligibility. Click on the Start a Balance Transfer button to proceed. Enter the details of the credit card from which you want to transfer the balance. Input the amount you wish to transfer. Review your request to ensure all information is accurate. Select your preferred payment option for any fees that may apply. Confirm your balance transfer request by clicking the appropriate button. You may receive a confirmation message that your request has been submitted. Check your email for any notifications or updates regarding your transfer. Monitor your Discover account to confirm that the transfer is processed successfully. Keep an eye on your balance to ensure the amount reflects correctly. If you encounter any issues, contact Discover customer service for assistance. And that's how you transfer your balance with Discover step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.